Hello everybody, thank you for checking out my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upload a video to YouTube. So of course the first step you want to do is create a Google account, and all you have to do is just go to Google and just type in create Google account, and should be the link right over here. When you click on that, just put in your information, verify the account, put in your mobile phone or cell phone. They either are going to send you a text message or call you. Once everything's verified, just go on to youtube.com and you're going to go right this little arrow right here pointing up, the upload symbol here. You can either click on that and then either drag and drop, or you can click here and select the file. I'm just going to drag and drop because I already know what video I want to upload. So I'm just going to drag and drop over here. And this is where you're going to put the title of the video. So let's say, how to video. I'll just leave it at that for now. And here's the description of the video. So what is your video about? If you wanted to do any, for example, like I have here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I have this link here. This is where you would put all that information, or link all your social media here at the description. And of course the tags, you want to add tags that are related to your video. So how to upload a video, how to start a YouTube channel, how to edit videos. So that's what you want to put here in the tags. Now, I'm going to go into more detail on further videos, on future videos, about, what kind of tags you should use, what's going to help your video rank. But for now, keep it simple. These are the three things that you want to focus on. And of course, here at the bottom, you can customize thumbnails. Well, I'm just going to select this picture here, and that's what's going to show up. That's what you'll see when, before you click on the video. That's what you'll see. Now you can customize that. You can, change that later. Typically, what I do is I just set it to private. So once it's done uploading, I set it to private, and then I do some more, I change a few things, change the title maybe, just that you want. So once everything is completed, all you have to type in, or you have to click in, is done. And it should take you to the next step. I'm gonna click here on done, and I set it to private. So to access the video, you're gonna go to my channel, you're gonna go to video manager, and here is the video. So here you could click on edit. And here's where, if you want to change the thumbnail, if you want to change the title of the video, if you want to add more information on the description, you will do that here. Do the tags, of course, very important. All three of these are very important. Set the video to public so that everyone can see it, and you can share the video. Will be right here, and all you have to do is publish. So once you're ready, once you're okay, I'm ready for everyone to watch the video, you could just set that to public and then click on publish. Now there's some more things that you can do, of course, here. I'm gonna go into more detail on the next video, and I'll see you next time. Peace.